Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Messenger from accessing your media on your device with the latest updates. Follow these steps to enhance your privacy settings and control what files Messenger can access. To get started, open the Settings app on your device to access the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device's interface. Locate Messenger from the list of apps displayed and select it to access its specific settings. Tap on Permissions within the Messenger app settings to view and customize the permissions granted to Messenger. Toggle on the switch next to Files and Media or Storage if you want to allow Messenger to access your files. To prevent Messenger from accessing your media, select the option Don't Allow to restrict Messenger from accessing your files and media content. By following these steps, you can ensure better control over your privacy and prevent Messenger from accessing your personal media on your device. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the enhanced privacy settings that enable you to manage what information Messenger can access. Take control of your data and privacy while using messaging apps.